this is Sonia with Artist Solutions, and I want to show you this really quick Dollar Tree haul of mine. And I originally went in there to my local Dollar Tree to pick up this stencil because I saw it in one of Heather Wilkerson's videos, and she was using this on one of her journals, and I was like, oh, I gotta go get me one. So I've gotten crafts out of my Dollar Tree, and they've had some really cute stuff, but lately, or within the last few months, I hadn't really seen anything that really caught my attention until I went in there to get this. And then when I was in there, then I saw some really cute other stuff. They've got these really neat rub-on transfers, and they have all kinds of different themes and stuff. And I'm really into the vintage, back in the day, rustic, industrial kind of look. You know, Paris, shabby chic. Here's another rub-on transfer. And it has a lot of different words and things like that, and really pretty images and stuff. And I love this. And then they've got this one with some numbers and some little flowers and leaves and things that would go really well on your journals and stuff on your pages. Then you have your happy birthday, and you know, just different occasions and stuff like that. Make your cards, scrapbooks, birthday, just different things. I think I got 2 of this one. Yeah, I got 2 of that one. Then here's another one that's got your little tea kind of theme. Got the pretty flowers and birds and all kinds of little embellishments and things that you can use. Valentine's, romantic, just all kinds of different things. And then they've got these really pretty stickers. And by the way, these are not the only ones that they had. They had other ones. These are just some of the ones that I pick and chose because that's the style that I like. But they had quite a few other ones, you know. So they have these really pretty high quality 3D stickers. These are, they call it 3D motion stickers. You have like your butterflies and your, that's pretty, the feather and the flowers. You know, shabby chic. Really pretty stuff. And then you have your travel theme, explore the world, adventure. You know, you get your little Eiffel Tower, Paris kind of theme. And then some more, you know, with the butterflies and the like specimen type stuff. Birds. And then here's some more. I mean, I was in there and I had to stop myself because they even had like stickers for pets and stuff, like little dogs and things. I don't have any dogs or pets, so that's why I didn't really get any, but I mean, you can still get some for your animals and stuff. Like that little journaling spot. And then here's some more. I'm trying to think, did I double that one up too? No, I didn't double that one up. Like I said, there are so many of them. This is just scratching the surface of some of the ones that I got. And so those are the rub-on transfers and some of the other stickers. And then there's some bubble stickers, or they call them puffy stickers. And they're like 3-dimensional, and they have like a gilded kind of look to them, like a shiny, like, it's really neat, industrial, rustic kind of look to it. And it goes good with your travel theme, your world, you know, all kinds of little stuff like that. And then here's some more with like your dream catcher and your arrows, things like that. And then here's some more. It's got the key and the hourglass and your time. Your zipper and your, you know, the steampunk kind of look. I love steampunk. And then you've got your tropical kind of look. These would look good with the Graphic 45 and the new Tim Holtz, the Flamingo. I can't think of the name of it, but there's a new distressed ink that he has coming out. This will look good with that. And then your love. And that also has somewhat of a steampunk kind of look to it. And then here's some. Your astronomy or whatever, if that's what you're into. And then we have these with nature. Will look good with like an ancestry type thing too. I mean, there are just so many things. And then they had some stickers too. These are some Starburst gem stickers. And they had them in different colors. I just chose black. I'll probably go back and get some more in some other different colors. But like I said, I had to stop myself because they had so much stuff. And I've also got things, you know, from last year too. I mean, they've got, you already know, if you've been to Dollar Tree, I'm sure, from your little wood chips and your, I don't really need too much glitter, but your little sequins and all kinds of stuff. And then I went and got me some books that I can add to my junk journals. You know, your little word finds, Sudoku, or however you pronounce that. But yeah, so go up to your Dollar Tree and see what you have. And if you see anything else that I haven't seen, I'd like to know about that too. A lot of us, I love to save money and I love to get like this style of stuff on a budget. And so yeah, if you guys see stuff there that I haven't seen or whatever, let me know. So I hope that this little tip, this little haul was helpful. So if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, check out my other videos, my social media, my blog. And once again, thanks for watching.